Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to expose 5 dangerous Android settings that most people never touch. These settings are quietly active on millions of devices, and if left unchanged, they can leak your personal data, weaken your device's defenses, and leave you vulnerable to tracking, surveillance, or even a full security compromise. I'll guide you through each setting step by step, explaining exactly why it's a problem, how it can be exploited, and precisely what you need to change to secure your device before it's exploited. Alright, with that said, let's get into it. Hide sensitive notifications on the lock screen. Start by opening your Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. From there, select Lock Screen Notifications. If this feature is turned on, then choose Hide Content. On some phones, this may appear as Hide Sensitive Content. What this does is simple but extremely important. Your phone will still show you that a notification has arrived, like a message, email, or banking alert, but the actual content stay hidden until you unlock the device. That means no one can glance at your lock screen and see things like verification codes, bank alerts, private messages, personal emails, one-time passwords, sensitive app notifications. It helps prevent privacy breaches by stopping anyone from gathering important information without unlocking your device. Revoke unnecessary app permissions. Go to Settings and tap Apps. Choose any app from the list, then select Permissions. Here, review what the app is allowed to access. If a permission doesn't make sense, for example, a simple game requesting your location, go ahead and deny it. For apps that genuinely need location access, like maps or navigation apps, change the setting to Allow Only while using the app. This prevents constant background tracking, reduces battery drain, and helps keep your personal data private and secure. Focus on apps that clearly don't need location or camera access. Allowing unnecessary permissions can be dangerous. An app with access to your camera or microphone could potentially record without you realizing it, while location access allows apps to track where you go, how often you travel, and where you spend your time. Block installation of unknown apps. Go back to Settings and select Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap More Security Settings. Then choose Install Unknown Apps. You'll see a list of apps such as Chrome, My Files, or Gmail. Allowing apps to install from unknown sources is dangerous because it bypasses Android's built-in security checks. Malicious apps installed this way can contain spyware, steal passwords, track your activity, access your camera or microphone, and even take control of your device without you knowing. Many fake downloads and phishing attacks rely on this setting being enabled. Make sure these options are toggled off for all apps. The only time you should turn one on is if you are installing a trusted app from a verified source. And once the installation is complete, turn it off immediately. Keeping this setting disabled blocks malware, prevents fake or modified apps from being installed, and protects you from phishing tricks. Only the Google Play Store should be allowed to install apps because it automatically scans for threats and removes harmful apps when they're detected. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning stay on in the background, even when your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth are turned off. This means your phone keeps searching for nearby networks and devices all the time. This causes 2 problems. It drains your battery because your phone is constantly waking up to scan. It collects extra location data, making it easier for apps and services to track your movements. To change this, go to Settings, tap Location, then Location Services, and look for Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Toggle both of them off. Turning these settings off stops the non-stop background scanning, which helps protect your privacy and saves battery life. Your GPS will still work normally. Disable autofill with Google for sensitive info. Your phone's autofill service is convenient because it can automatically fill in things like passwords, home or work addresses, and credit card details. However, there is still a privacy risk. If someone gains access to your unlocked phone, they could use autofill to quickly reveal this sensitive information. In some situations, malicious apps or screen overlays could also trick the system into exposing your data. To reduce these risks, it's safer to disable autofill for sensitive information. Here's how to turn it off. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill. Tap the settings icon and choose None. By doing this, you take full control of your personal data and stop your phone from automatically exposing passwords, card info, or addresses. It's a small change with a big impact on your security and privacy. These small settings greatly reduce data exposure, tracking, and security risks, giving you more control over your Android device and personal information. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. I'll see you in the next one.